Poarch, born on February 8, 1997, in the Philippines, is a Filipino-American social media personality, singer, and content creator. She gained widespread fame on TikTok for her lip-sync videos, especially her viral video lip-syncing to Sophie Aspensen by Millie B, which became one of the most liked videos on the platform. Bella moved to the United States at the age of 13, and she later enlisted in the U.S. Navy, where she served for 3 years. After leaving the Navy, Bella began posting content on TikTok in April 2020. Her rise to fame was meteoric, and she quickly became one of the most followed creators on the platform due to her engaging and relatable content. In addition to her success on TikTok, Bella launched a music career in 2021. Her debut single Buhay received positive reviews and was praised for its empowering message and catchy tune. The song's music video featured a star-studded cast and quickly amassed millions of views on YouTube. She followed up with singles like Inferno and Living Hell, further establishing her presence in the music industry. Bella's content often touches on themes of empowerment and resilience. She has been open about her experiences with bullying and trauma, using her platform to advocate for mental health awareness and self-acceptance. Despite her rapid rise to fame, Bella has remained grounded, focusing on creating content that resonates with her audience and staying true to herself.